Okay, we're going to do slope-intercept form practice. We are going to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So here my slope, remember if there's not a number, there's understood to be a 1 there, and my b is -3. Now our y-intercept, anytime we know the y-intercept, we know x is 0. So my y-intercept 0, -3. You should answer this as an ordered pair. Okay, on number 4, we're going to write the equation, y equals mx. So it's given us the slope. So that's going to be -2/3 x. And then the b is -1, 0, -1. Okay, on number 6, we know our y-intercept, and we know 2 points. So we're going to use the slope formula to find our slope. So we have m equals 7 minus 5 over -6 minus 4. Remember, if you start with 7, you have to start with -6. So that's going to give me 2 over -10, which is -1/5. Okay, so our slope's -1/5, and now we know our b, so we're going to have y equals -1/5 x. Our b is -3, so -3. That looks terrible. Let's try that again. -3. Okay, on number 8, we know our slope is 1/4, and then our y-intercept is 0. Now we wouldn't leave a 0 in, so we would just put 1/4 x. Okay, so you're going to do the odd, and then we're going to check it. Okay, so here we're given the line on the graph, and we're going to have to find the slope like we did yesterday with rise over run. And we know our y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, so that right there would be 0, -5. Okay, so we have this. We can come up here and we can see right here's another point, so we can rise over run. My slope's going to be positive because it's slanting to the right, so that's 2, 1. So my slope, rise over run, is 2 over 1, so that's 2. And then my b is -5. So y equals 2x minus 5. Okay, on number 12, our y-intercept, 1, 2, 3. So 0, -3. And then if we come here and we're looking for where it crosses, it doesn't cross until up here. So we're going to rise and run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And since this is negative, so I went to the left, that would be negative. So my slope is 5 over -3. My b is -3. So y equals -5/3 x minus 3. All right, so you see what you can do on the odds, and then we'll put up the answer key so you can check it. Have a great day.